Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria is poised for talks with Dangote Petroleum Refinery between Tuesday and Wednesday to finalize agreement on the cost and lifting of petrol from the plant. On Sunday, October 13, 2024, the $20 billion Lekki-based refinery asked the Petroleum Retail Outlet Owners Association of Nigeria to rescind its request for petrol lifting. This development came as Petrol expressed optimism that the cost of petrol might reduce in the coming days once the competition in the downstream oil sector sets in fully, setting the tune that marketers will load the commodity from the refinery. Meanwhile, IPMAN described the planned agreement with the Dangote refinery as a crucial step in the association's ongoing efforts to facilitate the lifting of petroleum products, thereby contributing to the stability and efficiency of the country's fuel supply chain. Recall that last week, the federal government granted permission to petroleum marketers to lift petrol directly from the Dangote refinery without going through the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited. The Minister of Finance and Chairman of the Naira Crude Sale Implementation Committee, Wale Edun, in a statement said, moving forward, petroleum product marketers are now able to purchase PMS directly from local refineries without intermediary role of NNPC. What will be the outcome of the meeting? For more information, visit NaijaNews TV as the story develops.